हाय एवरीबॉडी। आज हम जो एक्सेल में इसकी सीरियल नंबर, डेट्स इंटर करना, सेल्स को इमर्ज करना और सेल्स को जो है फ्रीज करना, ये सारे जो फंक्शन हैं एक्सेल में वो हम देखें। तो here we go with the very first option, that is serial number. Okay, let's format it, select all, and then delete. Okay, here we go with serial number. So just we need to put only one single number, and then we can put cursor over here and drag it down. This all number copied here, but we will put on this box and select fill series. In this way, we can put all these serial numbers here. Other second one is date. How we can put date in Excel cells? Here we just need to put date, today's date or whatever, 2023, and same way we'll drag it downward and it automatically fill dates. But you can here see the problem is नंबर जो है वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है ईयर, जबकि हमें चाहिए डेट। डेट पर जो है नंबर चेंज होना चाहिए, सीक्वेंस जो है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। हम सिंपल क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे डेट्स के ऑप्शन पे जाएंगे, ये जो बॉक्स है नंबर वाला, यहाँ पे डेट का ऑप्शन है। इस पूरे जो है टेबल को ओपन कर लेंगे और यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मेट है इसका यूनाइटेड स्टेट की बजाय हम यूनाइटेड का यूज कर लेंगे। इससे होगा ये कि हमें डेट का फॉर्मेट जो है वो मिल जाए, लाइक पाकिस्तानी फॉर्मेट है ये फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो हम इसे सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे और यहाँ पे हम डेट लिखेंगे that's not working, so again we can try in another cell here. It's working now, you can see simple. Again change the format. Now we selected this one and it automatically put OK, then it will automatically change this. Simply again you can drag and put whatever number you want. Okay, next how we can emerge cell. Here we can select our desired cells and then here we have an option emerge cell and center. तो हम इसे क्लिक करेंगे, हमारे सेल जो है मर्ज हो गए। Now we want to freeze the pan or freeze the cells that we don't want to move while we are dragging to forward like this. These cells disappears. So how we can stop these cells to disappear? We just need to do freezing pan. Here we have an option in view, freezing pans. So we will put our cursor on the cell forward to that cell that we don't want to hide. In this way, we will put in the very third cell and we can freeze them. Freeze pan, freeze row, freeze column, whatever you want. Here I want freeze column, so we freeze. Here it doesn't gonna hide, right? And freeze pan, then again freeze pan. Now all these cells are not going to hide. All these cells are not going to hide. Right? This is all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.